Simple tips on how to deal with anxiety. Anxiety is one thing that so many people suffer with every day. It is not something that ever really goes away, but you can learn ways to gain a bit of control over it. Read the following video to gain some knowledge of methods of coping to get some control over the anxiety you feel. To help you ensure anxiety is not taking control of your life, speak to your doctor about medications you can take to restore potential chemical balances. Medications are often prescribed for people dealing with anxiety disorders, and the results have proven to be very effective in most cases. Proper breathing is essential to reducing sudden feelings of anxiety. Using a count to control your breathing can be an effective way to reduce anxious feelings. Pick a count, such as 3 in, and 3 out. Repeat this pattern, until the feelings of anxiety have resolved, and passed. If you begin to feel an anxiety attack coming on while you are driving, pull over and stop your car, as soon as possible. Take some deep breaths, close your eyes, and wait for it to pass. Anxiety attacks are common when you are at the wheel and have been known to cause accidents. Always consider the positive parts of life. Make it a habit to remind yourself of these things before you go to sleep and again first thing in the morning. Concentrating too much on negative thoughts and feelings can build up your anxieties. By thinking about the positive side of things, you can help minimize negativity. Consider your diet when dealing with anxiety. A diet that is high in sugar and unrefined carbohydrates can contribute to feelings of anxiety. It takes place because when you eat sugary foods, your blood sugar raises first. Then, you experience a blood sugar drop that can leave you feeling weak, anxious, and craving more sugar, which only exacerbates the problem. Exercise is always a great way to make your anxiety go away. It can really help you deal with anxiety, because exercise releases endorphins. These endorphins promote a healthy and happy mind, which battles your anxiety wonderfully. Exercise in the morning to start your day is ideal if you can find the time. Workplace anxiety can often be reduced or eliminated by taking a simple walk. As deadlines approach and employers pile on more work, many people forget the power of taking a short break. Going outside and walking around the building gives you a chance to refresh your mind and body. Learning to control your thoughts is essential when you are dealing with anxiety. Negative thoughts have a lot to do with why people experience this affliction. If you are able to put these negative thoughts out of your head, then you will be able to be free of it. You do not have to allow your anxiety to rule your life. Use the advice in the video above to gain control over your life. Get out and experience what the world has to offer without suffering from anxiety attacks that can destroy a good day out with the family. Discover how I overcame anxiety disorder, and started living life again. Visit secretanxietyhack.com, to learn how I did it. I thought my anxiety disorder was for life, but I discovered how hundreds of former anxiety sufferers melted away their anxiety, and now live relaxed, happy lives, with no trace of anxiety or depression at all. Visit secretanxietyhack.com to learn so much more. Link in the description.